What's up, guys? It's your boy No Chill Chad checking in, and I got another video vlog for you today. I know it's been a few weeks once again because I'm always working, but anytime I come back, you know I probably have something in store. I got something cooking, I got something new, or I'm doing something, whatever it may be. I'm gonna try to keep you guys informed and just let you know what's going on. So today, I got a couple new pieces. I may break it up into different parts. I may just lay it all out right now, but stay tuned and I'm gonna let you know what I got in store. All right, guys, so from the last video, you saw that I was really getting some pieces and parts together, and everything's really falling in line. Like, when I tell you guys, I definitely just feel blessed. One thing I tell a lot of people is that, you know, God doesn't really give us, like, you know, a kitchen table, you know, a wooden kitchen table. He'll just give us a tree, and you gotta work until that kitchen table is, you know what I'm saying, brought to life. So pretty much what I'm doing, guys, is me doing a couple unboxings today and just show you what I got from a couple partnerships that I've been working on, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Here we go. So of course, I'm at the one and only world famous J-Rod Speed Shop. Of course, you see them over here working, nice builds. This is definitely where you want to drop your car off. They have some stage 1, 2, 3, 4 packages, which you want to do a cam, blower, nitrous, whatever. I think this car over here is getting some headers. This G8 got a cam. This truck right here is going to be stupid. And over here, we're going to get a new racing transmission. All right. But what I've got for you today, one at a time. Starting with Holley. This is going to be our Holley 105 millimeter throttle body. This thing is huge. I currently have a 103 on the car. That's MSD, but we need a little more control, a little more adjusting. So the tuner recommended going with the Nick Williams or the Holley. And of course, you know I'm rocking with Holley, and this is one of their products. So this right here is definitely huge, as you can see. Whole fist. All right, so you've seen the throttle body. Next up we have, I needed a fuel system. And there it goes right there. So I went with the, I did some research. I looked at the Huron Speed fuel system for the F-body. I looked at the Chris 13 fuel system, and it seems like unanimous decision is pretty much the Chris 1313 fuel system. He pretty much gives you everything that you need for this hookup. So let's check out that fuel pump. A lot of hoses. I like hoses. Here's a bit fuel. Pressure regulator, I think that is. I gotta kind of look at all the parts again. Oh, that's the filter. Excuse me. That's the filter, and then this is the regulator. I'm sorry. So he uses Air Motor products, and this is his fuel pump. It looks really nice. I'm not gonna lie. Everything was packaged well. AM fittings, relay, and I went with the dual 525s. Just the dual 525s because I plan on going E85 in the future, but not right now. I'm just prepping for the future. One thing I always do is I build for just in case if I do decide in the future, it's already in the car ready to go. So with the fuel pump, the harness, regulator, I also went with all the hoses from him. I think it's 8 AN inlet and 6 return, or vice versa. Everything is there. So that's nice. So shout out to Chris 13. It takes about 10 to 14 days to make the kit. And then it only took maybe like 2-3 days to ship. So it didn't take long at all. And everything really looks good. Also got another little gem. This gem right here comes from Midwest Chassis. So this is the bumper support bar. It's made to clear any type of intercooler and support the bumper, because all of that's going to need to come out soon, very, very soon. So this is from Midwest Chassis. I want to say it was like $200. Good quality, powder coated. I think you can get red, but black was cool. I think you get raw and black or black and red, something like that. But as you can see, that's cool. Quick shipping. So that's kind of like a lot right now. So I got my throttle body from Holley. I got my fuel system from Chris 1313, and we have my front bumper support from Midwest Chassis. I got one more item for you. Can you guess what it is? Probably won't, but check this out. All right, so I definitely got to give a shout out to this company right here. They came through with the clutch. Got to definitely do an open box for them and just show you guys what's all equipped, what's everything involved. Because this is definitely going to help what I need in the future. See that? I'll show you in a second. Don't worry. I'm officially a part of the cold case radiator crew. Yes, sir. You're gonna need this to keep this thing cool. So if you need a radiator, check out Cold Case. Use code NOCHILL and you get free shipping. Alright, so we're about to check out their radiators. Some cool merch. Thinking cap. Straight like that. Cold Case merch, man. Appreciate that, guys. Light, shining, function. So this is a 2-row, all aluminum, TIG welded radiator. I mean, this thing is gonna keep my car super cool, don't buy a 3-row, don't buy a 4-row. Get you a 2-row radiator. This is about 3 inches thick, as you can see. But this thing right here is, wait till you see it in the car. I'm gonna show you the results and show you how cool it keeps the car when we add a little pressure to it. So shout out to Cold Case. Make sure you check them out. Use code NOCHILL to get free shipping on your order. I know a lot of guys have been looking for just a dependable radiator. Cold Case, cost effective, looks good, and functions just as well. So can't wait to get this in the car. All right, guys, so that's it. Throttle body, fuel system, radiator, and the bumper support for the car. That's really all I got for you, man. We got some big plans coming, so I hope you just stay tuned and let me know if you have any questions, any concerns. You know, I'm just ecstatic. I got a lot of stuff coming in, so ask me those questions. Follow me, get you some merch. Everybody or nobody, NoChillChat.com, and I'm checking out.
Man, I hope you didn't overhear what else I got going on, so I'm gonna have to just make this video and just... Hello? Did you hear that? What I just...
Well, I guess I kind of just spilled the beans. So for the people that just watched this video, I guess I have to let you know what's next, huh? So thanks for watching. You get to see it first. So all the people that stay locked in on the video and just watch to the end, I appreciate you. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to the juicy part. I would like to officially announce I am a part of the ProCharger team. I gotta give a huge shout out to my guy Grant and Jacob. Met these guys over at LS Fest, and they've been taking care of me ever since. I really appreciate it. Definitely gonna, do my thing. It's just one of those things like I manifested. I've always dreamed about being a partner with ProCharger, and it's kind of manifested into itself. So kind of let you know what I got, man. So probably a lot of you guys remember I had a ProCharger kit. I had the twin cooler ProCharger kit that I had sourced, got for a great deal, and that was the plans. But once again, I'm always thinking about how far I want to go in the future with my build. So I just started doing a little research, doing the setup, looking at the restriction level, and I decided I wanted to go just a little bit bigger, everything. So we'll see what's in my box, so you guys can see. It's probably the best packaging I've ever seen. I've ordered a couple superchargers before. I've ordered a lot of car parts, but this one is probably top 3 in the best packaging out. On my belt here, ATI balancer, crank pulley. You see it. ProCharger plate. Just to let you know, when you pull up and you see a problem, just know it's blown the intercooler, right? That dope ProCharger banner. I'm gonna put this one in my garage. I got a small garage, so I'm gonna put this one in my garage. It's the man, the myth. So, see it? So, ProCharger banner, that's gonna be for me. A couple of ProCharger windshield decals. I got 2 different ones. I'm gonna see which one looks best in my car. This is a big ProCharger banner. So I got this one for J-Rod. Make sure they put it at their shop. They are a dealer for ProCharger, so if you need to order a ProCharger, you can to stop by J-Rod Speed Shop and make an decision. Some ProCharger merch, some t-shirts. One is just gonna be dope. You're gonna see me wearing a couple of these shirts. And I got this for, this is a ladies shirt. So one of you ladies in the fast cars, hit me up. I got a shirt for you, all right? Everything is really in here nice. I don't even know if I really want to take it off. All of my hoses. It's airtight. Everything's powder coated. Everything is really just packed in here really nice and neat. There's like a bracket. Brand new bracket from ProCharger. I'm waiting for this. Waiting to get my hands on this. As you can see, they pack everything nice. This thing. Yes, sir. With this. So, what I did was I went with their twin cooler kit and I upgraded to the we got the D1SC blower. We have the HD kit from ProCharger. You get the HD kit. It comes with the HD tensioner. It comes with the single mount intercooler, and you can do either 8 rib or 10 rib pulley system. And I did the 10 rib pulley system. I want to make sure, you know, anytime in the future, you know, once I do decide on going up to the, you know, D1X or F1A, that I have everything already set up on the car. All I gotta do is just swap the blower, and we're just good to go. So I'm ecstatic to go ahead and get this, man. Like I said, I appreciate ProCharger looking out. Jacob, Grant, ProCharger, you're the real MVP. And No Chill Chad, man, and a problem is really gonna be a problem for the streets. So you see it here, we got the fuel system, we got the bumper support, we got the intercooler, we got the blower. I'm ready. So you may not see the car as much. I might be posting some old content. We're gonna be dropping the car real soon, and then we're gonna have them take their time and do their thing. Once again, shout out J-Rod Speed Shop, shout out ProCharger, shout out Cold Case, Radiators, Chris 1313, man, and also thank you all. I appreciate you all for supporting me. I got a couple guys, you know, or people just in general, they might see me out. They might ask me, hey, you Chad, or, you know, you got the red Camaro. So I appreciate everybody for just supporting me through this journey. It's not easy, but anybody can do it. So I just try to empower y'all, man. You know what I'm saying? Follow your dreams, go piece by piece until you make it all the way to the top, man. It ain't no elevator, it ain't no escalator. You gotta take the stairs, baby. So, No Chill Chad, check it out.